see that we would eat. Keep those shoes upon my feet. Every night my papa would play and talk me in my bed, kiss me on my head after my prayer is said. Growing up was easy, time just flew on by. The year began to fly, yes, and so did I. I could tell that Mama wasn't well. Papa knew, and deep down so did she, so did she. When she died, Papa broke down and cried. All he said was, God, why not take me? Every night he sat there sleeping in his rocking chair, never went upstairs, all because she wasn't there. Then one day my papa said, son, I'm proud the way you grow and make it on your own. Oh, I'll be okay alone. Every time I kiss my children, Papa worry through. Your children live through you. They grow and lead you too. I remember every word Papa used to say. I live them every day. I taught me what I feel. Every night my papa would take and taught me in my bed, kiss me on my head after all my blood is said. Every night my papa would take me and taught me in my bed, kiss me